YouTube, what's happening? It's your guy Hitch. Hope everybody's well. I wanted to bring you guys a different video today. It's really a matter of trying to save money, but at the same time trying to get money back off of all the money that you guys are going to be spending buying sneakers. We all know it's super expensive. So I'm going to show you two different sites today that you can use to get money back after the money that you've already spent on buying a pair of shoes. But this can be used on just online shopping or just stores that you may go into on a regular basis. But because I cover everything sneakers, I'm applying it to that. But you can do this for Target. You can do this for whatever store these different websites are going to be supporting. So the two sites I'm going to be bringing y'all today is going to be Rakuten. They used to be called Ebates. And the other one is going to be BeFrugal.com. And they both do the same thing. So you create an account. And when you're on the website, again, Rakuten.com, BeFrugal.com, just sign up. Use your email, create a password, all that good stuff. You're able to do that. But for me, I already have an account, so I'm just going to sign in. And I'll sign into both accounts so you guys can see how this really looks. So once you're signed into the account, again, both sites, they're going to show you the different stores, different merchants, different retailers that they support. They'll show you what kind of promotions that they're currently running. So looking at the screen, you'll see Nike's up to 6% cash back, Adidas 6% cash back, and so forth. Same thing with Be Frugal. So the reason why you want to have maybe multiple sites that you're using is just because whoever has the biggest cash back, that's who you're going to want to use when you're buying something. So in this case, I'm going to be buying a pair of New Balances today. So I'm going to show you guys live how that's going to work in regard to me purchasing anything typically when I do it online, because I want to make sure I'm getting my cash back. So I'm logged into both. So to give you an idea, like with my account, as you can see right now, I currently have $46 that I'm going to be getting back from Rakuten soon. The way Rakuten pays out, they pay out quarterly. So I recently got a check back in February. My next check that I'm going to be due for is going to be in August. But if you notice, I've been a member of this, I believe, since 2015. We can take a look and confirm it. Yeah, I've been a member since December 15th of 2015. And this was huge. When I signed up for it back in December, this was also around the time that I'm doing a lot of my Christmas shopping. So the amount of money I was able to get back based off of all the gifts that I had bought at the time, I think it was probably around $100, $150, which was pretty cool. I have not been paid out yet with Be Frugal. I got to look into this a little bit more as to how they pay out. But right now, they currently owe me like $9 or $20. I'm not sure. They're verified $10.94. Right now, I'm currently able to get back $9.13. But I haven't been paid out from them yet. So what I will do is I'll speak more to Rakuten and how they work, because I've gotten money back from them multiple times, being that I've been with them for, going on 5 years. You have the ability of being either paid out through your PayPal. You can actually receive a check. One of the things that I like about Rakuten is that when they're getting ready to pay you out, sometimes they'll say, instead of us paying you, let's just say, use this for an example, the $46.23, we'll give you an additional 15% or 10% or whatever their promotion is at the time if you were to take a gift card. So there's been times in the past where I've taken like an additional 15% and taken a Nike gift card, because I know that when I get this cash back, it's probably going to go to sneakers anyway. So those are some of the benefits that I know Rakuten has. Again, I've only been with Be Frugal for a very short time, so I'm still, figuring them out a little bit. Now, the key here is they both have apps. But the nice thing about using them on the desktop is that you have the ability of using them through the Chrome extension. So to give you an idea of how you can do that, if you do use Google Chrome, if you use Safari, I don't know, I don't really use Safari too often, we can go here and we'll search for Rakuten. Once it's pulled up, you can download it. I already have it installed, but this is what it will look like if you wanted to install it. You can go through that. Be Frugal has one as well. Same thing here. So if you were to click into this, you have the, again, I have it already installed, so the only option I have is to remove it. You would have the ability of downloading it. And what happens is now you have those options up in this corner. So the site that I'm going to buy from today is going to be YCMC. I'm a huge advocate of having an account with any site that you ever buy from, whether you only buy from them once or you buy from them 1,000 times, like if it's Nike or Foot Locker. I'm a huge advocate of having an account with them just because it makes your purchasing process a lot easier. Not only that, but they're going to contact you as they have sales and things of that nature. And if they have different reward programs, you're going to be able to benefit from that. So you guys know I love New Balances. I've been binging on them. So the sneaker that we're going to buy today is going to be this gray 997. I believe it's called the Houndstooth. I've been doing some research. I really can't find out what the name of it is. I've seen that on this site they called them the 997 PAKs. But after doing a little bit of research in Google, I have not seen too many styles come up with this model number. So this is the shoe we're going to buy today. It's already in my cart. Now, the other reason why I'm a huge advocate of being an account member of all these sites, even though, again, they may email you and it may become noisy within your inbox, but a huge benefit of it is, again, you're going to find out the different promotions that they have. So this sneaker is super expensive, which, you know, that's New Balance. They're quality shoes, so they are relatively expensive. These are $210. They're currently on sale for $169.97, which is a steal. But they have a 20% sale going on right now. So use this code. This is what I'm using right now, JXS20, and we're going to take that $169.97 and it's going to chop it down to $135.98. So that's a huge steal for me, at least in my eyes. And we're going to move forward with this. But before we do that, the reason I had you guys look at the extensions are because when you go to your site, as soon as you get there, you can open up one of these extensions and see which one of your your rebate sites have the most cash back. So right now, Rakuten has 2.5% back, but Be Frugal has 5% back. So I'm going to activate Be Frugal. Now that this is activated, you don't have to worry about doing anything. It's all going to happen on the back end for you. So as you're shopping, Be Frugal or Rakuten, whichever one you would have activated at that moment, it's going to automatically be activated, so there's nothing for you to do. So we have everything that we need here. We're going to spend $135.98 on these, and then we're going to check out through PayPal. It already has me logged in, so now we're just going to hit continue. For some reason, it disabled my Be Frugal, so we're just going to reactivate that because that's going to obviously be important. We got to make sure I get that cash back because right now, if I spend $135 and what is that, 98 cents? Yeah, $135.98. That means that I can look forward to $7.79 coming back to me. Again, it doesn't sound like a lot, but when you think about all the items that you're buying within a month or within a week or within a quarter, whatever it is, you're getting this money back. So that's how, when you take a look at my account, I currently have 46 bucks for Rakuten, but if you look at the history, you can see every time this is a purchase, that's money back. This is another one, that's money back. This is another one. These are all times that I've bought where you have the ability of getting money back, and you can see the history there. So when you take a look at my history of getting money back, I spent $130 here, $10 back, and all this stuff adds up. So this is my history. From the time that I started, $78, $37, $103. This was a nice one, $216 back just because I was buying stuff online. And it racks up. So we'll take this $6.79, double check. It's still activated. And now we're just going to hit submit. That's it. Place the order. Order has been received. I'm not doing any feedback. And we're done. So typically with Rakuten, they'll normally have like a pop-up saying the money that I just earned back. It doesn't seem like the extension for Be Frugal operates the same way. But another thing that I like about having these extensions here is that, let's just say the coupon code I just used was not advertised on the website like it was. That's what they do for you. So here's the advertisement here, but Rakuten and Be Frugal will do it for you. So you would have these different coupon codes that you would be able to use. just in case you didn't know they were available, and they would even apply them for you immediately. So I didn't see it done with Be Frugal, but I know for sure when you're buying anything, they will show you, or they will try to apply these codes for you using Rakuten. The only reason I didn't use them on this particular purchase is just because they had less cash back than Rakuten at this time. So what we'll do is we'll take a look and seeing if this is active already within Be Frugal. Orders obviously valid in YCMC. So let's take a look and see if it's live within Be Frugal. So they do show that my shopping trip is there. What I'm going to do is just monitor this for like the next 48 hours to see if it's updated, because it looks like Be Frugal is a little bit behind compared to Rakuten. And once it's active and updated, I'll see this check or this bag sign of money, this money bag sign, this money bag icon, and then I should be good to go. And that would be added to this balance. So I placed that order at 3:38 on Sunday, and about an hour and a half later at 5 p.m. I got the email from Be Frugal showing me that I did earn the $6.79. So that's the video. What I will do is I'll drop a link for both Be Frugal and Rakuten in the description of this video so you guys can sign up. If you think this video was helpful in regard to saving money, not only up front in buying shoes or just anything online, but also being able to get money back on the back end from all your purchases online, make sure you hit the thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell so you're notified when I got new videos coming. I'm out.